We'll guide you through how to install React on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, Pausa is going to continue with the guide.
Just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Node.js and hit enter. And after that, just go to the official website for Node.js and click on Get Node.js. After that, here you can select your operating system and choose your installer, and your setup.exe file will be successfully downloaded. Just wait for it to finish downloading, and after that, just navigate to your file explorer and go to your downloads section. Here you will be able to find your Node.js installer. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. And here, if you see Windows protected your PC, just click on more info and click on run anyway. After that, just go ahead and click on next and just read through the license agreement and click on I accept the terms in license agreement and click on next. And here click next until you get the install button and just click on install. Just click on yes if prompted and just wait for it to finish. After that, just go ahead and click on finish. After that, just open your file explorer and navigate to the folder where you want to store your React project. So let's say I want it inside documents. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new folder. So I'll just press Ctrl Shift and N and name my folders to something like React and hit enter. And now go inside the folder and in the address bar, just click once and then just type cmd and hit enter to open command prompt in this particular folder. Now in the command prompt, we are going to use a tool called create React app to create our React project. So just go ahead and type npx space create space -react -app space, and you can name your app anything. So let's say I want to name it something like React app and hit enter. React will now download all required file and dependency. Now once it is done, we need to enter the project folder. So just go ahead and type cd space in your folder name, which in my case was React app. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. Now you can see we are successfully inside the folder. Now start the React development server. So just go ahead and type npm space start and hit enter. After a few moments, React will start the development server and your default web browser should open automatically. If the window asks for permission, simply click on allow access. You should now see the default React welcome page. This confirms that React has been installed successfully and your application is running properly. And that's it. That's how you install React on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.